Cheers to the New Year's. Oh, yeah. You go with a face like this until 2024, baby. The year is yours. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. What's that? A huge portion.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like
I have the leading common sense is more.
y'all seen that we was there.
Yeah.
In high school. Like,
Yeah.
you want to hang around. Stand 10 toes in my attitude.
I knew what I said. This is the last. Why would you post those?
Oh, I want to see. Oh, that is so pretty.
Yes.
Ooh. That will piss me off. Akira. Yeah.
I was okay. Let me do your brows first. You know. I don't know if y'all can see this. Yeah.
This song had to grow on me. Is she?
Yeah. So it's like. Maybe for 0 days.
I never really cared for this song. It doesn't really feel like a Monday. It feels very like slow. These are good brows.
Yep, right there. Cool.
For me to love Future as much as I do, open house, and she said there was a lot of applicants. What's this, snob?
Yes, I'll say I don't know if I'm the only person who took a break from snob, but like I've been back on the snob train.
Girl, no, you didn't do this face like this.
Woo! Yeah, that's a face day.
Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee.